Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Just coming to you with an update on this guy. So you might not recognize the page, but you might recognize the name. It originally was Crypto Gem Trading and then turned into Prosperity Gem Mining. And now we are Prosperity Gem Ventures. They're pivoting. Manny's been nothing but transparent in the most part, totally. They obviously had issues regulating and having the ability to do the mining operation, but still earn the capital they need, as far as I'm concerned, to give the rewards they were trying to give. So they had to pivot again, and so this is where this has come to. So they've gone back to just trading, and in turn, they will also be using PancakeSwap and doing some staking. So that's the reason for all of this update. Before we get into this is not financial advice. This is a very degen play. I do feel that they've been doing what they say they're going to be doing, and specifically, he gave back rewards, and like the first whole thing didn't work out. He gave everybody back their money, and then created the new one, and now is pivoted and moved it over to another one. He has basically stated, though, this is a degen project now, not a LLC or a company in the States or anything anymore, but it's still the same Manny. So I have some faith. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you'd like me to do some wrap-ups after every AMA that he does, I'm happy to make them condensed to about 20 minutes or 10 minutes instead of 2 hours. I say that a little bit funny. He does seem to tend to repeat things quite a bit. I'm sure I do my same version of repeating in a sense, but if you ever want to see wrapped-up versions of those to save yourself some time, I'm happy to do them for you. I will listen into the AMAs and make sure that I bring any nuggets to you if that's the case. So we're going to take a quick peek in. I've already connected my wallet and stuff. Basically, when you load up here, it's as if you're going into a brand new project. So you will have to connect your wallet again and do all that kind of stuff. Other than that, it's the same old project. So if you click on BSC, you'll see this website ends up looking somewhat similar to the old one, just with some color changing and stuff like that. The same little site tutorial. And as you can see now, it's trading bots, LP staking, and with sustainability at heart. And they still keep a good portion or a certain portion of the contract. I have seen some people talk about the contract balance, and I don't know if they were quite being accurate on there. So if you notice here, it's 2.137 million. That actually means that there's quite a bit more in there than that, from what I understand. And maybe I'm wrong, but because he states here, balance drops below 25% of the deposits, they'll keep so actually I guess it's not stated there, but basically he's taking money out of the contract in order to go trade with it, and taking money out of the contract. So usually I think he says it's been 50 and 75% of the contracts removed from the contract and put into trading deals or PancakeSwap in this case. So contract balance is this, but the deposits are actually 8.63 million, so quite a bit higher. And then obviously there's your withdrawals and your paid referrals and that kind of stuff. So other than that, down here you see everything as it is. I ended up doing a compound earlier. I apologize, I wasn't sure if I was going to do a video today, but then thought I'd let you guys see this. So right now, one thing that's changed since my earlier videos is you can compound as long as there's $50 or more of USDT. It does reset this timer though back to the 6 days and 23 minutes, or 6 days and 24 hours. Oh, 7 days, sorry. So do keep that in mind. If you do that, you're not going to be able to get your funds out for another 15 days after that. So make sure you're planning yourself correctly there. Again, like I said, if you did want to refer, then awesome. I will try and do that Discord soon, and then bring some people in with free memberships who did do deposits into my Prosperity Gem Ventures. And then in turn, I'm going to do giveaways inside there as I take profit on some of this stuff and share some of those profits with you guys. I think that's pretty much it. Pretty quick video today. Just wanted to get you back into this and let you know in case you were going to the old website and it wasn't working and wondering what was going on. So just to let you guys know that. I will probably, I need a little bit of time to build up some cash flow, but I might still put a little bit more money into this in the next little bit. As I said, it seems to be doing well. Like always, I'm going to pull my capital out as quick as I can, and I recommend you do the same. Always better if you're playing with house money as much as possible. So thank you very, very much, guys. Please do like like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Definitely use those comments below, please, for anything you'd like to see, any teams you'd like me to bring on. I am open to doing AMAs, or if there's projects you want me just to have a closer look at. I know I've done a lot of project reviews, but I definitely would, or just kind of white paper reviews and stuff. I definitely want to start expanding and trying to give you guys more of what you're looking for. So please let me know in those comments what you'd like to see. Thank you so much. Have yourselves a great day.